I'm one of Every's founding leaders, and I'm here today to talk about all of our new arrivals. I'm so excited. It is spring, and the weather is finally fantastic, depending on where you are. Maybe you are warmer weather, and it's already been fantastic, but here in Minnesota, I actually had my first al fresco dinner last night, and it was so fun, and I got really inspired about dressing for spring, and we have a really fun group of clothes to talk about to do that. First up, I'm going to talk about the outfit that I'm wearing. So this is the Bryce tee by A Goldie, my favorite t-shirt. I have two white in my drawers at home. I've got a cement color. I'm going to be adding this peach color. It's a little bit more on the pricier tag, but it is a great investment piece. I can tell you from having the white ones that they really hold their color really well. It's awesome. We also have it in this beautiful red color here that I think is so fun, but an amazing t-shirt. One other thing to note that I think is kind of interesting about this tee and where it hits on the sleeve is that I'm a little bit of a chestier person. So I've got a bust. Let's be honest. I got big boobies. But I love how this hits. This would normally be a tee that I would maybe stray away from because of the higher neck and the sleeve, but I think this is such a fun shape. It feels really great. I did size down in this. I'm normally a medium and I'm wearing a small, but I did that because of my hourglass shape, and it helps create a little bit more shape on me. If you like a little bit of a boxier fit, stay true to size. It is an awesome, awesome tee. Next up, drop waist skirts. We all love dresses in the spring and the summer. I am a huge dress wearer, but this year you need skirts. Skirts are a huge trend that is happening this spring and summer. And this skirt I love from Sanctuary. It's drop waist, which I think is so fun and flattering. I love that it's got an extra liner in here. It also has pockets. My 4.5-year-old will not wear anything that doesn't have pockets. So this is going to be Harper approved, which I think is really fun. So I love this from Sanctuary. I think it's only 89 bucks, something like that. So it's a great value for your cost per wear. You're going to wear this a ton. It looks good with so many different things. You could do it with a little sweater. You can do it with a lot of other tees. I think it would be so cute with this. I also think it would be so cute with this, which is a good segue because I'm going to start talking about this grouping. This grouping is from Giada De Laurentiis. I know, kind of crazy. Who knew that she was doing clothing? She did a collab with a brand called Rails, which is a favorite of mine. I actually was wearing this yesterday. I love this tank. It is so cute. The square neck is great, and I think it would look really, really cute with this skirt. A lot of my friends are going to Italy. I, unfortunately, am not going to Italy anytime soon, but I'm going to pretend like I am with this collaboration because there's so many fun things that you can wear with this. So loving this little tank. This is darling. I think it would be really cute. We also have a lot of new cut in, so I'll get into more details about that. This is the Maya tie waist. Love this jean. It's a wider leg jean, wide leg jeans, definitely having a moment, but I think that's such a fun pairing with this tank and this little jean showing the little tie waist. You can also go bold and do the whole look. This is also a big thing of matching sets. We've been wearing them from an athletic perspective for a long time, but they're getting more and more elevated. And I think this is such a beautiful way to travel, such an easy weekend look, depending on what you've got going on. But these breezier pants, really fun. Again, here with this breezy pant, you could do it with this little graphic tee. You could do it with one of our little tanks that we have going on back here. I love it with this little Henley. We'll talk more about Henleys in a minute. But a really fun, easy pant that's a great pull-on for the beach, for weekend, for so many different things. And then we also have this same print and pattern in this great little dress. So talk about a fun, flirty, easy dress. I love the little waist detail on this. It's double lined on the bottom and is really easy to wear with a little easy sandal. I'm saying easy a lot. I'm going to work on that. But one of the other things I want to talk about with those are these little sun hats. So with a lot of this stuff, I think these sun hats are really cute. This is such a fun little hat. One thing that's really fun on the inside is that it's actually adjustable. You can tie it. I have a little bit of a smaller head, so I like that adjustability. And then it fits a lot of different head shapes, but a great little hat for spring and summer. Again, here with all of these breezier looks from Giada. I think that's really fun. And then we've got, now my hair is crazy. Now we've got a little great top here that has some eyelet detailing on it. I think that is such a fun, pretty detail that's right there. The Henley and buttoning all the way down is beautiful. This looks so great with so many different types of jeans. I actually really like it. We've got this little Meg jean. So this is a cut jean here as well. That's the Meg. Such a fun jean with this. Pairing that back to one another. Really cute look. And then I'm just calling this the picnic pant. I was actually just talking to a bunch of our trend sense stylists, and they also call this the picnic pant. This is also a rails. Go bold, right? Like this is the season for bold bottoms, and this is such a fun way to do it. I think coming up with all the holidays that we have coming up with Memorial Day, 4th of July, all of those things, what a fun way to show off really what summer is all about. This just feels really fun. It feels fresh. It's new, and it's just really different. And again, here, I think with that little Free People tank, this would be such a cute little look, and really letting this bold bottom be the hero of your look and keeping everything else really simple if you're going to do something like that. Speaking of bold bottoms, color denim. It is not going anywhere. It is definitely huge this spring. If you have not bought a colored pair of denim yet, please get into the store and try them on. They are fantastic. This is the Arc jean by A. Goldie. By far one of my favorite jeans right now. I have it in 2 colors already, and I love this jean. The fit on it is fantastic. It's a little bit of a barrel, which I know a lot of people are maybe a little more nervous about a barrel because they don't want to have too wide of a leg. This one is a very subtle barrel. It is a great shape. It really highlights the silhouette of your body without going too oversized. Nice length on this. I'm 5'7". I have a little bit of a longer leg for my height, but I don't need to get this altered. It hits right at my ankle, which is a really nice length on me. And then wearing it with just an easy little flat like this. This is a great shoe from Schutz. It's kind of like if you were around for the first round of Dr. Scholl's or the second round of Dr. Scholl's when that was popular. This feels like a really elevated, very classy, updated Dr. Scholl's, but I just love that shoe. And this looks great with this pant right here. So super fun. Lots of bold bottoms. We talked about the Bryce tee already. I've got a couple other tops here from Citizens of Humanity that are really nice, easy layers. So with so much happening in our bold bottoms, having some of these more simple layers is a really fun addition to your wardrobe. And Henleys are definitely having a moment. So what I love about Henleys is the adjustability and the ability to just unbutton or button as many buttons as you want to. Lots of fun happening here with these tops. This little 3/4 sleeve from Citizens is great. Or we've got a couple tanks here too from Citizens also. And I love the colors on these. This putty color is gorgeous. It looks so good with a lot of the light wash denim, with white denim, with all the different things that are happening there. There's a lot going on with these Henleys that really make them easy to slide into your wardrobe. Looks like we have a question.
Everyone's loving your outfit.
Thank
you.
you.
What are your sizing for your skirt?
Yes. Oh, for sure. Okay, so the skirt, I am normally a 28 in denim. I am in a size 6 for the skirt. So again, I'm a little bit of an hourglass shape. This fits me really nicely in my waist. I can kind of give a little spin around. So super fun here. If I would say that if you happen to carry weight a little bit more in the middle, you might want to size up, but I think this fits really nicely. That's why that size fit me really well, was how much it fit right there. But I love that it gave room in the hips because again, being an hourglass, I'm a little curvier in my hip and my butt area, and this really made room for that. And it really, one thing that is so good about this skirt is that drop waist can be really hard. You can get that length wrong, and a lot of people do from a design perspective, but Sanctuary nailed it. They interpret trends so well, which is why we love that brand and why it has been a staple at Every for such a long time, is they really know how to make sure that everything fits really well. So the drop waist on this is just absolute perfection.
And it's not see-through.
It's not. No, there's actually like a little slip underneath here. So there's a little bit of a liner and a slip. Sorry, no one needed to really see that, but we did it anyway. But it does have a little liner and a slip, which I think is great. And the crazy thing is, too, to your point about not seeing through, the pockets, you can't even see the liner of the pockets, which I think is something that really is cool about this skirt, because usually on a white skirt, I feel like you can actually see the outline of the pockets, and you cannot at all. So really great job, Sanctuary. We love you. Any other questions, though?
What shirt are you wearing?
I'm wearing the A Goldie. This is the Frankie. Is that right? Bryce. Oh my gosh. I keep wanting to call it the Frankie. Sorry. This is the Bryce tee from A Goldie. It is a personal favorite of mine. Like I said before, if you were just joining us now, I already have 2 of them in white. I've got it in a cement color. I think I've got it in black. It just came in olive. We've got it in this peach color. We have it in this red color. It is a fantastic tee that truly holds its shape. And again, I know it's a little bit on the pricier side, but it is worth the extra money because your cost per wear will be amazing on this. You will wear it all the time. The white doesn't stain. I mean, like it holds up. It is an amazing t-shirt. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about cut denim. We are all huge fans of cut denim. So speaking of brands that we love at Evereve, Cut is a big part of our Evereve DNA, and we love that brand. They just do things right. I was with a friend yesterday and she was like, Cut just fits my body so well. Like they just know how to fit a body. And I could not agree with that more. I love this jean from Cut. This is the Maya. So it's a little bit of a wide leg. Wide legs for spring, on point. Definitely something that you need in your wardrobe. I love this because I love how wide legs look with flats. I like how they look with wedges. They look great with a little bit of a kitten heel. They are so versatile and you can wear them with so many different tops too. And with tops becoming a little bit more fitted or a little more cropped, this is a great jean to wear with that because it shows off this waist detail here with the tie waist. Tie waist definitely also having a moment. This is really fun and fresh, and I think this just feels like a great jean for spring. If you missed it, one of my favorite pairings is with this rails top here. I think this is so darling and would be such a fun like dinner al fresco look. The next up, we have the Meg. The Meg is one of our favorite jeans here at Evereve, and this Meg is no exception to that. It is amazing. The pocket detailing on here. Denim is getting more fun. There's more details with it, the pockets, just so many things going on. And really, again, any silhouette goes. The Meg is a little bit of a wider leg, so similar to the Maya, but a wider leg, but not too wide. I like the raw hem on this. Petite women. If you are petite, the Meg is made for you because first off, it's not super long to begin with, but the great part about this is you can actually just cut the hem. There's lots of YouTube videos out there to show you how to do it, but you can cut the hem yourself and it makes it so great because then it's more personalized. You don't need to go to the tailor. Love that raw hem. But I think what is so nice is they did a professional raw hem. So this hem looks great. Even if you want to wear it to work on casual Fridays for the summer, such a fun jean, but loving this Meg and loving all of the pocket detailing that's happening on this one. Okay. Next up we have, oh, I did forget it. Ashton. It's the Ashton. I was like, is it the Ashton or the Avery? The Avery's next. So the Ashton is the barrel from Cut. So this is their version of a barrel. I love the darted detailing at the knee here. It's such a great fit. Again, here it's a barrel without being too oversized or too wide in the legs. Lots going on. They've got that tie waist again here. Great jean for spring. I think it's so cute. Back to the Citizens tank. The colors of this is fantastic. Lots of fun detailing. I'd actually wear a bracelet stack similar to what I have on. I love the detail of this one because of all the stone colors that's happening here. Lots of that happening in jewelry with natural stones. I think that would be such a cute pairing with that and a great little look. I've got busy weekends, as do all of us, right? But my daughter's got swim class, soccer, all the things. And this is a way to feel really put together while running around all over town with all of the things.
Can you tell us what shoes you're wearing again?
I can.
Lots of questions about your shoes.
Yes. So these are these are Schutz. So these shoes by Schutz are a little inspired, I would say, by sort of retro Dr. Scholl's. They are a wood heel, but the leather on these is great. I love the big buckle on them. They're so fun. And then that stud detail on them is so cute and feels really wear now. I think what's so fun about that is it really brings a little bit of that like rocker vibe to something that can feel a little bit more feminine, especially with my outfit. I'm always somebody that likes to mix and match and do the hard with the soft. And I love that the studs add a little bit of that like more rocker, sort of masculine kind of thing going on here while still keeping it very feminine. But great shoe from Schutz. I love the dark brown color, chocolate brown, definitely a color for this spring season. And I love that paired back to this look to play off of the coloring with that. Okay, last jean from Cut. This is the Avery. So the Avery from Cut is a more of a straight leg. So again, here we get lots of questions about denim and like, what denim do I need this spring? And I have good news and bad news about that. The good news is that you need a lot of denim. There are so many different silhouettes that are important this spring season that's continuing into fall. So knowing that is really helpful because then you know whatever you're buying this spring, you can keep wearing into fall, but wide leg still important. Straight leg definitely having a resurgence. And I love this Avery version of that. The cargo pocket on here is a great detailing. We're seeing a lot of utility happening again out there. So that's definitely something that's a resurgence in trend. So this utility pocket, this cargo detailing is something that's really fun and is a great pairing. And again, mixing and matching that little bit more masculine and feminine. I think you could do something like this that would feel really fun with that pairing, or even just, oh, I forgot to talk about this rails top. This would be so cute together, but I love this little button down top, roll the sleeve. You can actually keep this open, which I think is a really fun version. So back to this jean, and then maybe even putting this little Henley tank underneath, but wearing this open, wear it with a short. It's a great little cover up, but loving that oversized shirting as well. But I think that would look great with that Avery jean. I'm trying to think if last but not least, we have our Free People tank. So we talked about Henleys when it came to Citizens. This is a Free People one. We have Free People again. I'm so excited. It's so awesome. It's my favorite brand. But I love these Free People tanks. They are butter soft. Just the feeling of this. I wish you could feel this through the cameras, but this is such a soft tank. The Henley detailing is fantastic on it. It's got sort of a raw hem on some of the details here, which I think is really fun. And again, here makes that feel a little bit sassy, a little fresh with that. But this is such a great tank. It can go with anything. As we mentioned, it can go with these wider leg pants. I think it would look great with the skirt I have on. It looks great with denim shorts, all of that kind of thing. And bringing that silhouette a little bit closer is a great balance for a lot of the relaxed bottoms that we're seeing, where things are getting a little slouchier, a little bit more relaxed, a little bit looser on the bottom. Bringing this in on top is a great proportion pairing and keeping that balance in the silhouettes that you're wearing. So loving this from Free People. It's $48. So again, here, a great value. Your cost per wear on this is going to be amazing. And it comes in these 4 awesome colors. So fun tank, lots going on. I want to go to Italy now. Who's coming with me? Let's do it. So many fun things. And thank you so much for joining me. This has been really fun. I hope this helps inspire you for some spring new arrivals, and come on in and check us out.